In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar of events in Squarespace, whether you're hosting a series of events, managing schedules, or just keeping things organized. A calendar block can enhance the functionality of your site. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. This is your main hub for making adjustments and adding new features to your site. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area as it holds all the tools you'll use to bring your site to life. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add Block option. This is where you'll be adding different types of content and media blocks to your pages. Next, click on Add Block. You'll see a menu pop up with various options of what you can introduce to your page. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Calendar. Click on it. The calendar feature is designed to seamlessly integrate with your site, allowing visitors to easily view upcoming events, set reminders, and just stay in the loop with any happenings you're planning. After inserting the calendar block, click on Edit. This is where the magic happens. In the edit mode, you can customize your calendar to fit the aesthetic and functional needs of your site. You can add events, set dates, include descriptions, and even add links or attachments relevant to the events. This customization is key, as it helps convey all the information your audience might need, right at their fingertips. Continuing with the setup, you'll want to navigate to the Blog section. Click on Blog to potentially pull in posts or even event narratives that relate or drive more context to your calendar listings. This can be particularly useful for promoting content on your page and drawing connections between your blog posts and the upcoming events in your calendar. Additionally, the store or your specific event page might offer further opportunities for connectivity. By clicking here, you'll be aligning events with products, ticket sales, or other transactions that might be associated with events. This integration can streamline the user experience, providing just a few clicks from viewing an event to making a purchase or reservation. Once you've made all your adjustments and are happy with how everything fits together, remember to click on Save. Saving locks in your changes and ensures that your updates are published for your audience to view. It's always a good practice to double-check the positioning and functionality of the calendar on both desktop and mobile views to ensure it looks good and works smoothly across all devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a functional and visually appealing calendar of events to your Squarespace site. This not only helps keep your visitors informed, but also aids in promoting engagement and attendance for your events. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to give it a try and see how it enhances your Squarespace site.